the right thing. Whatever you needed, do whatever you feel like. I didn't went to attending. I never. I didn't went to attend marriage. I am just sitting down here. I was doing meditation and I am on a mission of stretching because I want to be more flexible, and I just read about uh, stretching, more stretching, more less stressing. So I am just doing pursuing my stretching schedule, and I I love to do this yoga schedule. This yoga this I love to do this. I love I love to be more flexible. I have got 2 kg weight in last 15 days, and now I am turning 70 I have 70 kg weight, but I have to reduce my weight. After 3 months I will be work on losing weight. And last night was my niece love marriage, and there was a lovely happening because she is very lovely and cute girl. She was a lovely and cute girl. I want to wish her very lovely and cute life, very happily married life. Vaheguru bless her with her own wishes. She was a cute, and she is still very cute girl. Bua came with Mama in midnight because Fupa's bike didn't had a space to take Bua's on her home. So what, Bua just took lift to our home with my mother and father, and she slept. They reached our home at 3:40 around am, and they woke up at 6:30. After that, Papa was sleeping and Mama was cleaning house. I was also wake up at 6:35. Mama asked me to ask me to awake early, and whenever Mama wake me up, I always feel very bad or very shame. But after waking up, I feel more good and confident because after 10 a.m. there was sun very warm, and I couldn't feel cold or etc. because sun is very warmer than other days. Here I take a gutta or that, and Hero and Siren is sitting with me here, and my niece went to downstairs because I asked them to go because I want to do some meditation for 10 minutes. I love to watch Ankur Warikko's space, and Vamik nowadays asking me to do something and earn some money so that I can help him in our financial situations, because we have to do shift. We have to move from our houses, Vamik's house and my house. We are decided to move and shift together for our becoming life, because I am expecting some, and he is also very happy. But I feel ashamed. I feel very guilty to did not choose to took my baby in 23, but I decide to move forward, and now this is the right time to live together, because we spent 9 years together, and we were in relationship, physical or mental, and we both are happy together. He also wants to join me because he feels some stress while his brother is talking about his rishta, and I ask him very mostly time that he want to live with me or not. He always accepts that he want to live with me forever, and this is all Vaheguru's kripa, that he is just loving me, because I feel that I'm not just precious, just he make me feel very precious and very cute and very lucky. Vaheguru bless me with all the blessings I should have, and for with blessings, so with with bless with blessing of Vaheguru, I feel more confident, and I should have drunk I should have drink Amrit water, but I could Amrit soil, but I could not, and this is my shame and disgusting life, because I feel very stuck in our relations, and the relationships, and all the relatives and society I is not for me, and I am not comfortable in the societal rituals and everything, because I am not feeling myself that I am a societal produce or anything else. I am just turning my YouTube videos on, and if I will choose to do some YouTube channels and some extras, it make me more confident. It will make me more confident. I choose to do YouTube videos, but I feel I took holidays for 1 week, and this is our conversation, that I am feeling very stuck, and my English schedule left for 5 to 6 days. Before that, I used to read and talk in English for 10 minutes or 10 minutes or half an hour, but last 10 days I couldn't complete my task. This is very shameful, because whenever I choose to take a task, there was more work and feeling very family's emergency and some other emergency, because I am always on the right path, but these emergencies and the on my task, I always choose to do emergency work, not to complete my task. But it is the most reason of my failures, because whenever we are on the right path, there are more emergencies, family emergencies, even when etc things came on our path to know not to do the right things, and we mostly fails because of our wrong chosen path, because whatever we starts whatever we start, we should finish that, because our brains take stress to not to do and complete the things whatever we choose to start. Whatever we started, we should complete them. After completing them, we we should take next step or next challenge, because whenever we took any challenge and that challenge, that uh, that loads our brains of failure, and our brain took us very failure.